This new product incorporates the learnings that we've gathered through years of experience, building microscopes for our customers, listening to their feedback.
What the INX 760 delivers is really an elevated fiber inspection experience, giving faster, simpler, stronger, and smarter performance so that our technicians can do what they need to do very quickly, very easily, and it's just intuitive.
So when it comes to fast, we mean the whole process. So everything from how quickly they set up the instrument so that they can adjust the microscope for the different types of connectivity they need to inspect, to the actual inspection operation itself, automatically focusing the microscope onto the end face of the fiber under test, being able to automatically analyze the image to get that pass and fail result, and then automatically saving the result and making it accessible for their management. One way we make it easy and simple is for the technician to basically attach a tip with auto ID technology. That auto identifying technology allows the microscope to know exactly what tip is attached. So the technician does not need to manually configure his microscope. It's done automatically for him.
So we're thinking about the guy who's up on the top of a bucket truck in a windstorm trying to restore service. He's wearing gloves, he's blowing around. He does not want to be fiddling around with little tips. Big things are easy to hold, easy to switch, and fast.
You know, this past year, we just celebrated our 100th anniversary here at VIAVI. And one of the big values that we've always had is building the intelligence and our knowledge of customer needs and technician needs into our products to make their lives easier. It really is the culmination of what we value at VIAVI.